Any ideas?
Eccomi qui, salve, salve a tutti, eh. Allora, un attimo solo che ho un grosso problema con Facebook che non si connette. Quindi saluto chi si è connesso adesso su Twitch e su YouTube, però mi sa che devo riavviare un attimo la diretta. Perdonatemi, voglio fare una prova con Facebook perché Facebook anche la diretta di oggi non l'ha collegata. Però per non penalizzare chi ci vede da Facebook, interrompo un attimo questa diretta, faccio un controllo dei settaggi e riparto subito. Ok, un attimo solo, scusate, grazie. Ripartiamo ovviamente senza le intro, partiamo direttamente con la musica. Grazie. Salve a tutti, un attimo solo ancora. Facebook si è collegato, un attimo solo ancora. Buonasera a tutti, arrivo subito. Oggi problemi su problemi. Adesso siamo online su Facebook correttamente, su YouTube correttamente, ma Twitch non ne vuole sapere. Un attimo solo ancora, Facciamo un'altra prova. Questa volta ci siamo, benvenuti a tutti, benvenuti a una nuova live targata Reni J. Dovremmo essere correttamente online sia su Facebook, sia su YouTube e sia su Twitch. Ok? Do una sbirciatina veloce alla live su Facebook tramite il cellulare. Fatemi sentire se anche l'audio arriva correttamente, visto il problema che ho avuto questa mattina. Ok, mi sembra che arrivi l'audio correttamente. Mi sembra che siamo live anche su Facebook. Eccoci qua. Sì. E adesso possiamo cominciare con la musica. Buon divertimento a tutti e scusate i 10 minuti di ritardo dovuti alle configurazioni varie che vanno fatte per far funzionare tutto. Buon divertimento! E partiamo subito alla grande con Europe e The Final Countdown. Quest'oggi faremo un po' di musica, forse qualche sigla di cartoni animati e di telefilm ci sarà, ma partiremo un po' con di Italo Disco, anni 80 sempre, tutto 45 giri, grazie! Margi, arriva correttamente l'audio? Scrivimelo nella chat. Un saluto al grande amico Congi DJ. E speriamo che Facebook non ci blocchi subito, se no tutto questo è stato inutile, attenzione. E saluto gli amici che mi stanno seguendo già da Facebook, salutiamo l'amico Stefano anche. Io non lo so se ho riconfigurato tutto correttamente, Scusate, colpa mia. Tra un impiccio e un altro forse ce l'abbiamo fatta a iniziare questa diretta un po' problematica, E lo so, questa del microfono è un grande problema che conto di risolvere mettendo un filtro di quelli di stoffa davanti, quello col cerchio davanti, che evitano le S, e oltre a questo mantengono una certa distanza dal microfono in modo da non far distorcere la voce. Stiamo riascoltando The Final Countdown di Europe e poi andiamo avanti. Scusatemi, un po' impicciata la diretta oggi, La copertina di The Final Countdown l'ho lasciato sopra, quindi vi ho fatto vedere solo il 45. Questo è Picnic at the White House con We Need Protection. Il gettone per il prossimo brano, Jukebox quest'oggi. Yo, tutto su 45 giri con Renny J. Indimenticabile anche questo brano. Limaro, don't stop the music. From the Congo, Wiki Waki, Buki Aki, Jumbo Jumbo from the jungle. Wiki Jana, Nataka to banana, play the bongo, let it do it Congo. Stop, stop, don't stop the music. Don't stop, stop, don't stop the music. Stop, stop, don't stop the music. Don't stop, stop, don't stop the music. You gotta do it, you gotta do it. You gotta do this style for the young and the old. All the boys and the girls got their ponytails and curls like a bang bang booty to the rhythm of the beat. Don't stop the dance to the break of dawn. Shake your body, shake your body, shake your boom boom
the boom boom. I do the
Oh,
boom.
oh.
You gotta do it. Do it. Going up, going down, say cha 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 cha.
Bellissimo questo brano. Per quelli che mi conoscono sanno che questo brano è contenuto nella Piccadilly D. Si continua con Peter Gabriel e questo è Sledgehammer. Oh well.
You could have a steam train if you just lay down your tracks. You could have an aeroplane flying if you bring your blue sky back. All you do is call me. I'll be anything you need. You could have a big dipper going up and down all around the bends. You could have a thunder car bumping. This amusement never ends.
I wanna be Sledgehammer.
Why don't you call my name? Oh, let me be your sledgehammer. This will be my testimony. Turn me around your fruit cage. 'Cause I will be your honeybee. Open up your fruit cage where the fruit is as sweet as can be. I wanna be your sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? You better call the sledgehammer. Put your mind at rest. I'm gonna be.
E diamo il benvenuto anche all'amico, il maestro Deepak Murthy che ci segue su Twitch. Grazie Deep di essere qui con noi. Diretta Italo Disco, 45 giri.
Let there be no doubt about it. Sludge.
Sulle note di Sledgehammer. Peter Gabriel.
Again, right. I kick the habit,
Giù il gettone per il prossimo brano. Si prega di ritirare i gettoni alla cassa, grazie. Il grande Savage, Don't Cry Tonight. E salutiamo anche l'amico Trick Luca che ci segue da Twitch. Bellissimi questi 45 giri, eh? Io li sto prendendo così come sono, in ordine, anche se non c'entrano niente uno con l'altro. Il prossimo è su Virgin Records. Sì, Deep, ho anche tutti gli ultimi vinili autografati direttamente da Roberto Savage. Ciao Gianata, benvenuto, benvenuto, un saluto grande da Roma, da Renato. E colgo l'occasione per chiedervi di condividere la diretta in modo da essere di più e divertirci di più anche nella chat.
blanche, robe rouge et noire, danse avec le reflet du miroir. Arrivé direct from Mexico, Don Diego de la Vegas est comme Zorro. Ça se bouscule dans les couloirs, les poseurs, les voyeurs, tous ceux qui aiment se faire voir. Tout le monde est là, même ceux qu'on n'attend pas, l'appeler mec du mois. Miss Cha-Cha-Cha, oh Miss Cha-Cha-Cha, Miss Cha-Cha-Cha, Miss Cha-Cha-Cha, quelle linda star. Au milieu de tout ça, y'a nous, y'a moi, eh.
Don't forget me, I'm Dr. B.
Vers sur verre de Cuba Libre.
Don't forget me, I'm Dr. B.
Vers sur verre de Cuba Libre.
Dr. B, that's me.
Yes, yes, yo. You don't stop. Oh, come on, let me see you rock, rock. Hey, yo, lady, you think you see? You better watch out. Oh, Dr. B. Qué bueno, qué rico, qué lindo, Paris Latino. Qué bueno, qué rico, qué lindo, Paris Latino. Bandolero rock, bandolero shock, bandolero rock, bandolero shock. Qué bueno, qué rico, qué lindo, Paris Latino. Qué bueno, qué rico, qué lindo, Paris Latino.
I vinili io ce l'ho pure in 3D, si leggono pure laterali,
Amoureuse folle du reflet dans le miroir. Reparti direct to Mexico. Don Diego de la Vegas accap son bandeau. Plus personne dans les couloirs. Les poseurs, les voyeurs sont allés se faire voir. Odeur de tabac, de cendrier froid, les parfums sucrés de Miss Cha-Cha-Cha. Oh Miss Cha-Cha-Cha, Miss Cha-Cha-Cha, Miss Cha-Cha-Cha, quelle linda star. Au milieu de tout ça, y'a nous, y'a moi, eh.
Don't forget me, I'm Dr. B.
Verre brisé de Cuba Libre.
Don't forget me, I'm Dr. B.
Verre brisé de Cuba Libre.
Dr. B, that's me.
Yes, yes, yo. You don't stop. Oh, come on, let me see you rock, rock. Hey, yo,
Paris Latino, l'avete indovinato?
Dr. B.
Bandolero rock, bandolero rock.
Make you move to the latest groove.
Don't stop.
So just kick off your shoes
Hit the top.
and begin to groove.
Party.
Don't waste no time
Get down.
getting drunk on wine.
Don't stop.
It's time to score.
Hit the top.
So what you waiting for? Now it's my time to rap for you. So listen closer to the sure shot groove. Won't take much time, but have in mind that we're a brand new band and we're so divine. We don't spend no time to rock and roll, cause roll don't rock and rock don't roll. We got something hot that'll hit the spot. Something brand new by the lead or rock. We're gonna rock the east, we're gonna rock the west. We're gonna rock the girls and put them to the test and we'll rock you. But don't forget that we're the main cliche, the definitive best. Get down.
E non ci facciamo mancare neanche il maestro Michael Jackson, sempre su 45 giri, yeah! E su queste note vi invito a visitare il sito www.starwarsstory.it, presentato oggi.
She was more like a beauty queen from a movie scene. I said, don't mind, but what do you mean? I am the one who would dance on the floor in the round. She said, I am the one who would dance on the floor in the round. She told me her name was Billie Jean, and she caused a scene. Then heavy hair turned with the eyes to dream of being the one who would dance on the floor and around. People always told me, be careful what you do. Don't go around breaking young girls' hearts. And mother always told me, be careful who you love. Be careful what you do.
È incredibile che Facebook non ci abbia ancora bloccato, Go go go. Billie Jean. Etichetta Epic. Congi, come arriva l'audio? Si sente bene? E intanto dietro di me girano i quadri, i livelli di Mission Impossible per Commodore 64. Questi sono i Bee Gees, Woman in You, yeah! Ringrazio il pubblico che si è collegato da Facebook, grazie di essere qui con me. buonasera anche a Daddo che si è perso qualche brano stupendo. Benvenuto Daddo. È il secondo del DJ Vinyl Contest, no, sbagliato, del DJ's Got Talent su Twitch, www.twitch.tv/DJ's Got Talent. Continuiamo a seguire il DJ's Got Talent. Cercate questo logo, questo è il coprimascherina del DJ's Got Talent, chiedetelo a Daddo o a Congi DJ. Dopo The Final Countdown tornano Europe. Let the good times rock.
You say that you want me, yeah. I hope that you do. 'Cause tell me just where I would be in this world without someone like you. When you say that you need me, yeah, like only you can. Oh baby, you don't really know what you've done to the heart of this man. So baby, tonight we will celebrate and talk of the times till it gets real late. Yes baby, tonight we'll appreciate just what we got.
Giù il gettone per il prossimo brano,
Good times rock. Ah, yeah. Oh, when you squeeze me and say that you care, there's nothing I know that could drag me away when that feeling is there. Oh, the way that you move me and making me
sono riuscito ad aprire l'armadio delle meraviglie, il tesoro di Montezuma III.
dream if it wasn't for real. Oh, baby, tonight we will celebrate and talk of the times till it gets real late. Yes, baby, tonight we'll appreciate just what we got. So let the good times rock. Yeah. Yeah, let the good times rock. Yeah. Oh, baby, tonight we will celebrate.
Tutto prosegue, Daddo, grazie.
It gets real late. Yes, baby, tonight we'll appreciate just what we got. Oh, let the good times. Oh yeah. Yeah, let the good times rock.
for now.
E Spagna quando cantava in inglese. Questa è Easy Lady.
Move on now. You're such a sexy groover. When you get on down, you're better than another. Move on now.
Questa è Kim Wilde, l'avrete riconosciuta sicuramente. Io me la rischio coi blocchi, il prossimo brano è conosciutissimo. Tutto live, tutto su 45 giri. Non stop live. Un tuffo negli anni 80 con Renny J. Non ha bisogno di presentazione questo brano, 45 giri originale, eh? Floyd. Ascoltiamoci questo bellissimo Another Brick in the Wall. E se non ci bloccano questa, anche la prossima è famosissima. A tutti i 45 giri di Renny J. E niente, Facebook non ce l'ha fatta. E quindi niente. Facebook mi hanno appena bloccato. Ma noi continuiamo su Twitch e YouTube. Questo è vecchio del disco, vecchio. Questi sono i Queen, li avrete sicuramente riconosciuti. Dei Queen ho ovviamente tutti gli album e sto cercando di trovare anche le pubblicazioni giapponesi che sono stupende. Somebody to love. Il prossimo è un 45 giri con il buco del 33, quindi non serve l'adattatore. Ne sono usciti pochissimi con il buchino piccolo di 45 giri. Adesso posso anche evitare di mettere troppi effetti sulle canzoni perché Facebook è andato. E non poteva mancare Madonna. dischi che non uso, diciamo dal 95, sì, quando ho finito di fare il DJ. Poi mi sono sposato nel 2006 e l'ho trasferito nel mobile qua dietro e sono stato in cantina veramente dal 95 al 2006 e dal 2006 a adesso, perché stanno ancora nel mobile, però li prendo, li metto, adesso li risentirò, li pulirò, se vale la pena, se non vale la pena. Qui si parla di oltre 5.000 pezzi,
Greta Garbo and Monroe, Dietrich and DiMaggio, Marlon Brando, Jimmy Dean, on the cover of a magazine. Grace Kelly, Harlow Jean, picture of a beauty queen. Jean Kelly, Fred Astaire, Ginger Rogers, dance on air. They had style, they had grace. Rita Hayworth gave good face. Lauren Catherine Manitou, Betty Davis, we love you. Ladies with an attitude, fellas that were in the mood. Don't just stand there, let's get to it. Strike a pose, there's nothing to it. You got to let your body move to the music. You got to just let your body go with the flow. You got to
Daddo, ecco le pile dei vinili.
There's a girl that's been on my mind all the time. Studio. Oh, now she don't even know my name, but I think she likes me just the same. Studio. Oh. If she called me, I'd be there. I'd come running.
Ecco un altro disco con il buchino piccolo,
She's all I need, all of my life. I feel so good if I just say the word. Studio. Just say the word. Oh, studio.
Sto mettendo un po' tutti quanti quelli che mi ricordo essere i migliori tra tutti quelli che ho. Phil Collins, la sua bellissima voce su Studio.
Give me a sign. I sure anytime. Studio. I've got to have her now. Got to get closer, but I don't know how.
Ciao Trick, bentornato.
It makes me scared. I feel so good if I just say the word. Studio.
Sulla voce fantastica di Phil Collins.
She's all I need, all of my life. I feel so good if I just
Oh, sti cosci del giradischi ancora girano, eh.
Word is out on the streets tonight. Say you come as a false light. I know my chances look rather slim, but I will try and take you in. I see you floating past my door. Come on inside, baby, it's alright. Believe me, I fell for you. Each time you move, I follow. If you could stay one night, you would save my life. Won't you say so? Tell me, maybe then you'll see what you mean to me. Then you'll say so. Tell me. A friend of mine said I must be crazy. Imagine me lying next to you. Well, listen, girl, I got all the answers standing right in front of you. No one can stop me from trying. I've got ways to keep up with you. You always be my desire. So let's make a promise that we'll see through. If you could stay one night, you would save my life. Won't you say so?
Nick Cayman, che dopo il successo di Loving You is Sweeter Than Ever uscì con l'album Pearl Me.
You could stay one night, you would save my life. Won't you say so? Tell me, maybe then you'll see what you mean to me. Then you say so. Tell me.
Insieme con Rick Astley vendettero tantissimi gli album.
Forgive me for saying your name. Well, you never even explained.
Ovviamente ognuno per sé, non è che erano un duo. Rick Astley e Nick Cayman usciva un album di uno e un album dell'altro, un album di uno e un album dell'altro.
No one can stop me from trying. I've got ways to keep up with you. You always be my desire. So let's make a promise that we'll see through. If you could stay one night, you would save my life. Won't you say so? Tell me.
Loro sono i Guns N' Roses, colonna sonora di Terminator 2. You could be my Guardate che copertina, Spettacolo, In questi anni forse si stava pensando a un genere che poi negli anni 90 sarebbe nato, avrebbe preso piede, ma qui era tutto rock, metal, heavy metal, hard rock, chitarre elettriche. Ci fu un gruppo che insieme ai Mars contribuì al cambiamento della musica. Il prossimo brano è di questo gruppo. Un genere completamente diverso. Ma si sentiva che qualcosa stava cambiando. Prima di Rhythm is a Dancer c'era The Power degli Snap.
Like a double rhyme double on a heavenly level. Bang the bass. will attack, and you don't want that.
I've got the power. I've got the power. I've got the power. I've got the power.
Quality, I possess some say I'm fresh when my voice goes through the rest of the microphone that I am holding. Copywritten lyrics so they can't be stolen if they all snap. Don't need the police to try to say them, your voice will sing. So please, stay off my back or I will attack, and you don't want that.
I've got the power. I've got the power. I've got the power. Hey, I wanna tell you, hey, everybody say hoopla. Hey, somebody say hoopla. Here's what I want you to do. Just put your hands in the air and wave them like you just don't care. Well, if you're ready like me to rock real free, somebody say, oh yeah, somebody say, yeah. Somebody say, yeah. Say oops upside your head, say oops upside your head. Everybody say hoopla. Hey, say oops upside your head, say oops upside your head. Somebody say hoopla.
This is a song about those bad days. Start out happy and end up sad days. Talking about that Murphy's Law deal with it can go wrong, yes it will. Went to the store to cop some groceries Friday night and I had the munchies. Still the cartel lick couldn't take it. One more bag and this would break it. Went to the checkout, stood in line. Behind me was a girl who was too fine. Got in the ear while they rang the total. Reached for my wallet, uh-oh, a bolo. Not my day, I felt like a dummy. Went to the store and forgot the money.
Say oops upside your head, say oops upside your head. Everybody say hoopla. Hey, say oops upside your head, say oops upside your head. Somebody say hoopla. Everybody say oops upside your head, say oops upside your head. Say hoopla. Everybody say oops upside your head, say oops upside your head. Everybody say hoopla.
Me and Amy under the cover, seen as hot potential lovers. Demon in the sack is her reputation of school is sex. She's the graduation, touching, holding, heavy breathing. I knew I'd get it, she's not about teasing. Left on the light so I can see reaction. Amy's the freak, guaranteed satisfaction. She's as soft as bubble bath. I'm as hard as Chinese math. Ready for the ultimate affection. Took out the package, all my protection. Rolled it up in one hard stroke. It was my last and yes, it broke.
Everybody say oops upside your head, say oops upside your head. Somebody say hoopla. Say oops upside your head, oops upside your head. Somebody say hoopla. A little Miss Muffet sat on the tuffet, eating a curtain way. Song came by, stepped down.
groove is quick, but thick, no trick. Words are manifest, lyrics are lit.
Hyper, sniper, snap, made it hyper.
Beat to the brain like a bullet from a sniper. Win no loser, smooth like a cruiser. Beat the beat down, I'm the beat bruiser. On to off to off, on and on. This is the new breed of rap song. To the G.O.D. Yes, the top, I rock the spot hot. To be or not to be, yes it be. MC Turbo beat smooth
To the groove, yes, it's party.
peace of mind. Time to unwind. Trip and dip, slip the hip, now dip to the techno house of hip.
Cause this is the call of snap.
Hard to hold it, burn it, go. We made the jam, broke the mold, so it can't be sold. Took the Vic, stolen, taken, moved to the groove, dance floor shaking, up and down and spin around. You check the sound, hands in the air, feet on the ground. Party hard, hard not to party, moving close.
Body to body.
I for one, the only son, the only child not mine, but the kid is wild. Code name is Turbo. Jam and jump, 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 jump and jam. Total snap and snaps in command. To the point, correct and exact. This is the total snap.
Con i 45 giri è complicato, eh?
I am sitting in the morning at the diner on the corner. I am waiting at the counter for the man to pour the coffee, and he fills it only halfway. And before I even argue, he is looking out the window at somebody coming in.
Susan Vega.
Died while he was drinking. It was no one I had heard of. And I'm turning to the horoscope and looking for the funny.
Mi sta abbandonando una lampadina, cioè luci stroboscopiche senza averle messe. Questa è Tom's Dinner.
There's a woman on the outside looking inside. Does she see me? No, she does not really see me, 'cause she sees her own reflection. And I'm trying not to notice that she's hitching up her skirt, and while she's straightening her stockings, her hair has gotten wet. Oh, this rain, it will continue through the morning as I'm listening to the bells of the cathedral. I am thinking of your voice.
E questo è Hammer Adams Family.
Now I was cool, just kicking it around the house. When I knock, and a voice, yo, can Hammer come out? Now I don't mind being a friend and showing a little bit of flavor. But Wednesday, Bugsley, Gomez, Fester, man, them some strange neighbors. They do what they wanna do, say what they wanna say, live how they wanna live, play how they wanna play, dance how they wanna dance, kick and they slap a friend. They do what they wanna do, say what they wanna say, live how they wanna live, play how they wanna play, dance how they wanna dance, kick and they slap a friend.
Ce n'ho diversi dei dischi col buco piccolo, 45 giri col buchino piccolo.
The next thing you know, coming in me was a hand with the fingers I stepped in. Now I tried to play it on off and act like I'm having a ball. But what do I see? A perm with feet, standing about 3 feet tall. They do what they wanna do, say what they wanna say, live how they wanna live, play how they wanna play, dance how they wanna dance, kick and they slap a friend. They do what they wanna do, say what they wanna say, live how they wanna live, play how they wanna play, dance how they wanna dance, kick and they slap a friend. Speaking and thinking about the Adams, you know the Hammer is with it. Act a fool, no balls, swoop, Goofy and Randy, you know we kick it. Now it's the time to get it in your mind. It's okay to be yourself. Take foolish pride and put it aside like the Adams. Yo, they did. That's a family. They do what they wanna do, say what they wanna say, live how they wanna live, play how they wanna play, dance how they wanna dance, kick and they slap a friend. They do what they wanna do, say what they wanna say, live how they wanna live, play how they wanna play, dance how they wanna dance, kick and they slap a friend. Thank you, Chester. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, this the Adams groove right here. Ha ha. Yeah. Just like that. Oh yeah.
Nardo, ma si sente bene l'audio? Che mi interessava parecchio questa cosa.
I'm telling you, I saw the hand. Thing, man. I saw what they wanna do, say what they wanna say, live how they wanna live, play how they wanna play, dance how they wanna dance, kick and they slap a friend. And that's
Sylvester. I need to go back to the bridge just then. Thank you. Now check this out. They do what they wanna do, say what they wanna say, live how they wanna live, play how they wanna play, dance how they wanna dance, thinking they stop afraid. They do what they wanna do, say what they wanna say, live how they wanna live, play how they wanna play, dance how they wanna dance, thinking they stop afraid. Cousin Nick got on the floor, and he got the wiggling and wobbling, and he did this cool new burn move he had. Everybody backed up, you know what I'm saying? He jacked them up. Too legit. I'm talking about that.
Since it's already morning, I see the sky so beautiful and blue. The TV's on, but the
Non c'entrava niente, ma mi piaceva tantissimo quando comprai questo disco, me lo sono sentito e risentito, i Roxette.
Oh, I get up and make myself some coffee.
Qui tra un po' divento cieco perché sta luce stroboscopica dietro mi sta dando un fastidio terribile.
I thank the Lord above. You're not here to see me in the shape I'm in. Spending my time watching the days go by, feeling so small. I stare at the wall, hoping that you think of me too. I'm spending my time.
Sul finale butto un po' di roba così, ci divertiamo un po',
Try to call, but I don't know what to tell you. I leave the keys on your answering machine. Oh, help me please. Is there someone who can make me wake up from this dream? Spending my time watching the days go by, feeling so small. I stare at the wall, hoping that you
Spending my
are
time,
missing me
Roxette.
too. I'm spending my time watching the sun.
All'epoca li sapevo scegliere molto bene i vinili.
Fall asleep to the sound of tears of a clown, a prayer gone blind. I'm spending my
Guarda, c'ho pure anche in Godre e Civette sul Comò cantata dai Sanremini,
time will make sure I get over you. Oh, this silly game of love you play to win, only to lose. Oh, I'm spending my time watching the days go by, feeling so small.
Etienne.
Étienne, oh tiens le bien, baiser salé, tomber le long du lit, de l'inédit, et même à la folie, au ralenti, je soulève les interdits. Oh, Étienne, tiens le bien, affolant, il glisse comme un gant, pas de limite, au goût de l'afterbeat. Reste allongé, je vais le rallumer. Aïe, Étienne, oh, tiens bien, alléché, m'alléché.
Adaddo, qui davvero c'è il tesoro di Montezuma Terzo,
Je me sens étourdi, tout alourdi, mais un très grand appétit. Oh, Étienne, oh, tiens bien, des larmes
Tutto live, tutto su 45 giri.
Je te mords, et encore, quand dans le dos, je souffle le mot. Étienne!
Sueño Latino.
Sueño que me lo das y lo siento todo dentro de mí. Bésame. Agua fresca está entrando en mí.
Woke up this morning, closed in on all sides, nothing doing. I feel resistance as I open my eyes. Someone's fooling. I found a way to break through this cellophane line, 'cause I know what's going on. Am I living in a box? Am I living in a cardboard box? Am I living in a box? Am I living in a cardboard box? Am I living in a box? Life goes in circles, around and around, circulating. I sometimes wonder what's moving underground. I'm escaping. I found a way to break through this cellophane line, 'cause I know what's going on. Am I living in a box? Am I living in a cardboard box? Am I living in a box? Am I living in a cardboard box? Am I living in a box? I found a way to break through this cellophane line, 'cause I know what's going on. Am I living in a box? Am I living in a cardboard box? Am I living in a box? Am I living in a cardboard box? Am I living in a box? Am I living in a cardboard box? Am I living in a box? Am I living in a cardboard box? Am I living in a box? Am I living in a cardboard box? Am I living in a box? Am I living in a cardboard box? Am I living, am I living? Am I living? Am I living, am I living? Am I living? In a box? Am I living, am I living? Am I living in a cardboard? Am I living? Am I living in a box? Am I living, am I living? Am I living in a cardboard box? Am I living in a box?
Oh, dies ist die, wie?
Ba 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 ba. 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 Ba 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 ba.
Kannst du die Trompeten mal mit einstarten? I warn you about my secret. I'm going to expose. I create that to your bodies, to your mind and souls. Don't be alarmed. It doesn't spell danger. Stumble in the groove. Dance with a stranger. Don't have to ask you to get up. Believe in what I say to you. The only James Dean is not Cody Monday of this music scene. It's me, my friend, the master of salsa. Cabasa down with me. The beat's getting faster. Don't have to ask you to get up. You do it on your own.
Electrica salsa. Electrica salsa. Electrica salsa. Electrica salsa. Electrica salsa. Electrica salsa.
Yesterday's percussion, today's technology. Electrica salsa is in with me. The new age sound is on the move. I give you now the second groove. Don't have to ask you to get up. You do it on your own.
Electrica salsa. Yeah. Electrica salsa. Electrica salsa. Oh. Electrica salsa. Oh, electrica salsa. Yeah. Electrica salsa. Yeah.
I'm not proud, I was wrong, and the truth is hard to take. I felt sure we had enough, but our love went overboard. Lifeboat lies lost at sea. I've been trying to reach your shore. Waves of doubt keep drowning me. All the dreams that we were building, we never fulfilled them. Could be better, should be better. Oh, lessons in love. For restless eyes, egos burn, and the mold is hard to break. Now we waded in too deep, and love is overboard. Heavy hearts, token words, all the hopes I ever had, fade like footprints in the sand. All the bones that we were building, we never lived in.
Level 42, Lessons in Love.
Should be better. Lessons in love. If we lose the time before us, the future will ignore us. We should use it. We could use it. Yeah. Lessons in love. Pass me that love.
E con questo meraviglioso brano Renny J vi saluta, vi ringrazia di essere stati qui. Words, Effort Davis. L'appuntamento è per la prossima settimana, sempre sui miei canali Facebook, Twitch, YouTube, sempre tutto in vinile, tutto dal vero, non c'è trucco, non c'è inganno. Renny J vi invita a visitare il sito www.starwarsstore.it presentato oggi. Un sito interamente dedicato al mondo di Star Wars. Restano sempre attivi anche gli siti www.renijstore.it per i DJ e per la musica e www.renatodevita.it per tutto quanto quello che riguarda Amazon, idee regalo e cose di questo genere. Grazie di essere stati qui con me, ringrazio gli amici Conci, Daddo, il maestro Deepak, tutti quelli che si sono connessi anche su Facebook, anche se Facebook ci ha bloccato, vabbè, fa niente, gli amici di YouTube, gli amici di Twitch. Rinnovo l'invito a seguire il DJ's Got Talent su Twitch, www.twitch.tv/DJ's Got Talent. La prossima settimana troveremo un altro gioco alle mie spalle e vedremo come erano i giochi al tempo della musica che andremo ad ascoltare insieme. Salutiamo Impossible Mission 1 e 2 per Commodore 64. Grazie a tutti, buonanotte, sono le 23:43 di questo 1 marzo 2021. Un saluto da Roma, da Renny J, a tutti quanti voi una buonanotte.